Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, because here you'll discover wisdom that can reshape the way you think, act, and live. Now, let me ask you something. Do you truly know how intelligent you are? Not the intelligence of solving math problems, not the intelligence of memorizing facts, but the deeper kind, the intelligence that allows you to master yourself, navigate life's storms, and remain calm when the world tries to break you. The Stoics believed this kind of intelligence was the highest form of wisdom. And today, I'll share with you 15 timeless Stoic lessons that can maximize your intelligence and turn your mind into an unshakable fortress. But listen carefully, because these lessons are not about sounding clever or appearing smart. They are about developing clarity, strength, and resilience so that your intelligence becomes a force that guides your life with wisdom, not with pride. So let's begin. Lesson 1. Intelligence is not what you know, but how you respond. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." True intelligence is not measured by how much you know, but by how you handle chaos. When anger knocks at your door, when failure whispers in your ear, when people test your patience, your reaction reveals your real wisdom. Lesson 2. Control the controllable, release the rest. Epictetus taught, "Some things are in our control, and others are not." How much energy do we waste trying to control people, events, and outcomes that are simply beyond us? The intelligent mind knows the boundary. Control your thoughts, choices, and actions. Everything else is noise. Lesson 3. Intelligence thrives in silence. Seneca reminded us that speaking less and observing more strengthens wisdom. In silence, the intelligent mind processes, reflects, and grows. The fool shouts to be heard, but the wise man listens to understand. Lesson 4. Pain sharpens the mind. Every hardship, every failure, every heartbreak, these are not curses. They are your teachers. Intelligence deepens when you see pain not as punishment, but as preparation. The Stoics believed adversity is the grindstone that sharpens the sword of wisdom. Lesson 5. Intelligence is calm under pressure. Storms will come. Financial loss, betrayal, uncertainty. But remember, calmness is a form of intelligence. A mind that does not panic is a mind that sees clearly. Lesson 6. Less opinion, more understanding. The Stoics knew that intelligence is not about judging everything instantly. It's about pausing, observing, and then responding with clarity. Don't rush to form opinions. Rush to seek understanding. Lesson 7. Train the mind daily. Just as the body weakens without exercise, the mind dulls without discipline. Journaling, reflection, meditation. These are workouts for intelligence. Marcus Aurelius wrote his meditations not for the world, but for himself, to keep his mind strong. Lesson 8. Freedom is the highest intelligence. What enslaves the mind? Desires, anger, fear, greed. The Stoics taught that true intelligence is freedom from these chains. You are not truly intelligent until you are free within yourself. Lesson 9. Death makes intelligence urgent. Memento mori. Remember that you must die. The Stoics reflected on mortality daily. Why? Because nothing awakens intelligence faster than realizing your time is limited. Suddenly, you stop wasting energy on petty fights and focus on what truly matters. Lesson 10. Intelligent minds embrace discomfort. Luxury dulls the mind. Comfort weakens resilience. Epictetus, born a slave, lived in hardship, yet his wisdom shook empires. The intelligent man welcomes discomfort as training for greater strength. Lesson 11. Detachment is intelligence. You cannot think clearly if you are attached to every outcome, every opinion, every desire. Detachment is not coldness, it is clarity. To step back is to see the bigger picture. Lesson 12. Gratitude expands intelligence. Seneca wrote that we should not complain about life being short. It is we who waste it. The intelligent person counts blessings daily. Gratitude opens the mind to opportunities that ingratitude blinds us to. Lesson 13. Master yourself, not others. Trying to control people is foolishness. The Stoics insisted, master your impulses, your ego, your cravings. That is where true intelligence lies. If you cannot rule yourself, you will always be ruled by others. Lesson 14. Learn constantly, but apply wisely. Knowledge is potential, but applied knowledge is intelligence. Reading, studying, listening, all of it is wasted if you do not practice what you learn. Wisdom is lived, not memorized. Lesson 15. The greatest intelligence is virtue. For the Stoics, wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance were the pillars of an intelligent life. A brilliant man who lacks virtue is a danger, but a virtuous man, even with limited knowledge, lives wisely. Now let's pause. Think about these lessons. They are not abstract philosophies. They are roadmaps for life. Imagine if you lived each day by them. Imagine how unshakable, calm, and intelligent your mind would become. So, I'll leave you with this. The Stoics believed intelligence is not given, it is earned. Earned through discipline, through reflection, through courage, and through living with virtue. If this resonated with you, make sure to subscribe, because your journey toward mastering intelligence doesn't end here. This is just the beginning.